Hi guys, this is Urban from #gadgets and today I am going to unbox Oraimo Shark. Oraimo Shark is available for around 2,399 rupees in the Indian market. The Oraimo Shark comes with a quite nice packaging, and at first we see the subscription card, a pouch in which there are few extra ear tips, charging cable, and a user manual. And at last we find Oraimo Shark itself inside the box. The design of Oraimo Shark is quite nice with a sporty look, and along with that it's sweat proof. Let's take a physical overview of Oraimo Shark. We have a multifunction button which is used for play pause of the music and call receiving and call declining. The Oraimo Shark comes with a magnetic earbuds which are useful when the earphones are not being used. So I have been using Oraimo Shark for past few weeks, and I have to say that the battery backup of Oraimo Shark is quite great, from which I got around 6 to 7 hours of continuous music playback. The sound from Oraimo Shark is quite great with a decent bass, and the sound is quite loud. Considering the pricing, Oraimo Shark is the best buy under 3000 INR.